We've been in business for the past 30 years. We're a leading supplier and distributor of LPG across Southern Africa. We distribute about 150,000 metric tons of LPG. Safety is our primary license for operation. So what we have in place now is we need to train our people. Okay, there's a 3-year rollout plan through the LPG Association that we've committed to train all our people at the filling plants how to fill a cylinder, how to handle LPG as a product, what kind of cylinders to fill, how to know if a cylinder is still fillable or not, etc. So those are the kind of trainings that we are taking through all our staff throughout the country. Customer service excellence, which means getting good people in, retaining them and training them to do better or optimally. So, and that is in line with our values as Easigas. Okay, we'd like to become a household brand like Coca-Cola in South Africa. And I don't know, for some reason I've been getting messages that from some customers who are saying we are their most preferred supplier. Albeit they've got other suppliers who are offering the same kind of product, but the service is different.
Fueltech's been operational for the last 28 years. I've been the CEO for the last 15 years. We have been the major installations company for most of the big LPG companies out there. We have 2 major fields of expertise. The first being LPG static installations. Second of all is LPG road tankers. We look after LPG road tankers for small and large logistics companies. We're looking at new metering systems on trucks. We're looking at bringing in a European-based tank and converting it into a vessel that meets the SA requirements in terms of installations. Within Fueltech, we're passionate about safety. In fact, we use the terminology lions and sheep. I often ask my employees whether you see yourself as being a lion or a sheep, and that's specifically with regards to safety. I think if you're the type of person that's a sheep, you follow, you do whatever is instructed. If you see someone doing something wrong, you simply keep quiet about it. Now, we encourage our employees to be lions. Safety is what got us nominated, and safety is what's going to keep us in this industry.
Industry has gone through some very difficult times in recent past related to constrained supply, and that has been very challenging for the industry, considering that LPG is a key part of the energy mix in South Africa. So Afrox has been innovative in that for many years, in looking at how we can bring imports in to sustain security of supply. It's been a long road, it's been a difficult road. Imports are costly and we don't have the infrastructure. So in the last 3 years, Afrox has been working very actively in trying to find solutions to that, and we've been able to secure long-term import agreements that are reasonably competitive. Those have gone together with significant capital investments and long-term commitments so that we can unconstrain the LPG market in South Africa. We can ensure that our customers have security of supply, which then impacts their bottom line. We want to see zero harm to anybody in any of our business, not only from a safety perspective, but to the environment as well. Our operations go not only to South Africa, but to 8 African countries. We support from South Africa, and we've seen good growth over these 90 years. We are confident of seeing significant growth based on the potential we see in the market by making the long-term investments and commitments that are required.
We are a test station, a cylinder test station based out in Atlantis, Cape Town. We are the only revalidation company in South Africa applying for a air emissions license. We are also the only company that service all the key players in the LPG game. We are probably the most expensive part of the in the LPG game for our clients, because they spend quite a lot of money on revalidating and ensuring that cylinders coming through our hands are safe and they can put them out in the market again. We spend a lot of money just on safety, and in the last couple of years we are more safety orientated than we've done in the past. We just changed all our mindsets, and we are embracing the change. At the moment we are in the planning phase of automating all our equipment so we can push through more cylinders. Not only will this give us more work, but it will also create more jobs, and it will make it safer to work on a cylinder.